Good Friday evening, Tallahassee. I'm student meteorologist Tyler Allender. A nice night out there. Temperatures feeling pretty nice, and you know it felt good when you walked out today. We have a temperature of 76 degrees. The dew point is 35 degrees. Coupled together, that gives you a humidity of 23%, and that makes the National Weather Service issue a red flag warning. So very dry conditions. If you're doing any bonfires this weekend, make sure you put them out in the proper manner. We have a westerly wind at 6 miles per hour. And so it's adding to some of the coolness that we already have. 66 degrees right now in Tallahassee, 71 over in Marianna. Look at that, 58, the cool spot in Valdosta. Feeling very nice. I can't complain about any of this weather. Low 60s in Jacksonville and Gainesville. We have 70 degrees in Panama City, so overall a little bit warmer to the west. Current dew points, this looks at the amount of moisture that we have at the surface. 43 degrees dew point in Tallahassee, 42 in Albany. This is an indication of where we'll get down to about for the low temperature tonight. 47 in Jacksonville and 45 degrees in Gainesville. The radar is crystal clear, nice and dry. You wouldn't even notice that this is going into motion because we have nothing on the radar. Dry air dominating the region, so wall-to-wall sunshine, and it feels pretty good out there. Taking a look at the water vapor satellite imagery, this will show the amount of moisture that we have in the mid and upper levels, and notice how all the southeast is dominated by these orange and red colors. Again, that's dry air, and it's good for us, bad for those trying to keep up their lawn because we haven't seen any rain since. Well, we had a little bit of rain on Wednesday officially at the airport, but that didn't do much, just over 1/10 of an inch. But the last real rain we saw was at the end of September. So we definitely need the rain here. For Parents Weekend, looking good. Tonight it's going to be clear, it's going to be cool. Notice how we have high pressure really coming into the area, really building in, pumping in some of those cooler winds and cooler air masses. It's going to be dry, it's going to be cool again. If you're going to head out tomorrow morning, there's a 5K race. You're going to want to maybe drink some hot chocolate or coffee to warm yourself up because it's going to be cool. 42 degrees tonight. You're going to need the jacket in the morning with a northwesterly wind at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Game day tomorrow, another home game. Let's hope we do as well as we did last week against Boston College. Noontime is the kickoff. 80-degree temperature. I know I'm looking forward to not sweating like we've seen for the past several home games. It's going to be a good 10 to 12-degree difference than what we've been used to. And again, you're going to want to watch that on ESPN if you're not able to go to the game. But over the next 7 days, more of the same. Nice, cool weather. I don't think anybody can really complain. We're going to see a slow climb in temperatures into early next week with a slight chance of rain toward the middle part of the week as another frontal boundary perhaps moves into our area. I'm student meteorologist Tyler Allender. Thanks for joining me on this Friday evening.